Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Splendid Thoughts stamp set. I've been working hard on an online class here, and this is the class packet. When you order the bundle, you get this in the mail for free. And just to entice you, I may or may not have used the pool party and soft sea foam cards and envelopes that we got for celebration. So those were kind of hard to get. So here's the information, and I'll put the link into the description. So I am stamping with Pear Pizzazz on a piece of soft sea foam. And I'm bringing in the Very Best Trio punch. So I'm pressing down and then I have to flip it to get the proper, like the opposite side punched correctly. I hope you get it, what I'm saying. So that both sides are even, they're not the same. It's a funky punch. All right, so before I forget, this card is completely cased from Julie Davison, my friend. We were a part of a swap, and this was her card, and she used the same colorway and everything, and it's just such a simple card, really good for swaps if you're doing swaps, and it's so simple, and I really like the colors. So we're using soft sea foam, and the other color was Pear Pizzazz, the darker shade. So this was a piece of 2.5 by 4 inches basic white, and the soft sea foam was 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. And we're adhering those two pieces together with my favorite adhesive, Seal Plus, and then I'm adhering that directly on the card with the Seal Plus. And the card base is Pear Pizzazz. So just adhering that down, and then there's a strip of Splendid Day DSP, which works really well with this paper, and that was 1 by 4. And of course, I put the label or the sentiment up on dimensionals. So again, you can see, I say this every time, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.